If you're trying to use an USB accessory like charging cable with your iPhone SE2 but it is showing this accessory may not be supported error, in this video we will show you how you can fix it. First, make sure your USB accessory is MFI certified and of good quality. If it is not, it can create problem with your iPhone. If it is MFI certified and still not working with your iPhone, you can clean your charging port. Sometimes dirt and dust particles get stuck in it and cause problem. Now, if they are not causing the problem, check out the next ways. Often this problem happens due to minor software glitches, so you can do a force restart. It should fix the problem. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. If there is a new iOS update, these problems could be happening due to that. So make sure to update it. Go to Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. Check if there is an update or not. If there is an update, download and install it. These are the ways you can fix accessory may not be supported error on your iPhone SE2. That's it for now. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe to our channel for tips and tricks for Apple devices. Thank you.